Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today we'll show you how to print headers on all pages in Excel. First, open your Excel file. For this example, we have a file with 100 students' marks in 4 subjects. The students' names are in column A, and their marks are in columns B to E. Without printing headers on each page, it becomes difficult to identify which subject's marks are listed on subsequent pages. To solve this, we need to print the headers on all pages. Go to the Page Layout tab in the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click on Print Titles. In the Page Setup dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Rows to Repeat at top. Click the small icon to the right of this field. Now, go back to your spreadsheet and select the rows you want to repeat at the top of each printed page. For our file, the headers are in row 1, so click on row 1. The reference will appear in the Rows to Repeat at Top field. Click OK to confirm your selection and close the Page Setup dialog box. Now, whenever you print your document, the selected header row will appear at the top of every page. To see how it looks, go to File and select Print to preview your document. You'll see that the headers are repeated on each page, making your data easy to read. Printing headers on all pages is useful for multi-page reports, invoices, and any document where consistent data presentation is key. It ensures that your readers can always see the column titles, no matter which page they're on. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.